use primer to mattify the oily parts of my face. Basically, I'm just gonna put it onto my T-zone because that's where it tends to get oily. This is what I use to conceal my face. Okay, not entirely my face, but like my dark under eyes, my blemishes, and my pimples. Of course, I blend with fingers because I think the finish is better that way. This is what I use to set my face, and as you can see, paubos na siya. And that's just me saying that it's a really good powder. Seriously, you guys should try this out. And yep, nilalagay ko lang siya sa buong mukha ko. Okay, I'm just gonna say this. I use this every day so I don't look pale, and that's just me realizing I just raised my middle finger up. But that's what I use to contour my nose and blend it. Then I get a smaller brush and use the same bronzer as my eyeshadow to get that natural eyeshadow effect. Then yung tira-tira sa brush, I just put it onto my nose. Then I curl my lashes, and I'm so sorry that that is creepy, but that's just what I do, and look at the difference. But yeah, it's creepy. I don't really put mascara every day because sometimes feel ko enough na yung nabibigay na curl ng curler sa lashes ko because sis, halos maikot-ikot na yung mata ko, diba? So I think enough na yun. But when I feel extra or feel ko hindi ako malilate, I put this on. Then I use tint. Inuna ko muna sa lips ko because I think it's more hygienic that way. For some reason that I don't know. I don't really have my reasons straight. I'm sorry. Then naglalagay ako sa cheeks para magkaroon ng color yung pale face ko. After that, naglalagay ako sa nose bridge kasi wala lang, pakit lang.